some apples, red and round. One by one they fall to the ground.
One apple hanging on the tree, so red, so round, and yummy to me. Two apples shining in the sun.
Let's pick another.
This is fun!
Three apples bouncing on the floor. Can you count and find one more? Count the apples, 1, 2, 3. Come along and sing with me. From the tree down to the pen, let's count all the way to 10.
4 apples sitting in a row. Watch them wobble to and fro. 5 apples stacked up high,
Reaching up into the sky. 6 apples rolling down the hill. Catch them fast or they might spill. Count the apples, 4, 5, 6. Pick them up and do some tricks. Red and shiny, fat or thin. We're not done, let's count again.
7 apples in a crate. Let's eat one, they taste so great. 8 apples in the air,
Juggling apples everywhere. 9 apples on a plate so fine. One more apple now we have. 10 apples. That's the end. Let's count them all again, my friend. Count the apples, 7 to 10. Sing it loud and tell a friend. Learning numbers is so fun. Let's go back to number 1. Great job counting! Now you know your numbers from 1 to 10.